Three major chicken processors got caught conspiring to fix wages and working conditions. Welcome to Business Law 101, one of our special current day episodes. This is Dr. David D. Shine. The U.S. Justice Department announced a major settlement of an $84.8 million lawsuit that was filed this week. The defendants are Cargill, Sanderson Farms, and Wayne Farms, and I'm told all of these companies are mega majors in the chicken processing business. Along with these three processing companies was a consulting firm called Weber Mang Solon Company, and the president of that company was not named individually in the source that I have, but apparently was named as an individual defendant. It's alleged that these three major processors working through that consulting firm coordinated to keep their wages and benefits low across that industry. Obviously, this is illegal and it's an antitrust issue. And I do periodically do programs for industry groups. And in fact, one of the things I specifically talk about is the importance that in gathering for legitimate purposes as industry groups, it's extremely important that there be no effort to agree on prices, regional division, or of course, wages and working conditions. So obviously these folks were working hard to avoid that. I have no sympathy for them. Wages should be paid at market for people who work hard and do what they're supposed to do. And sometimes I think people, when they know that I am a consultant to industry, maybe I don't feel sympathetic to labor. I can tell you I do. I want people to be paid fairly. I just want them to do a fair day's work for that compensation. And I also don't want the government, nor do I want particular industries to get special advantages over other industries, which I see in some heavily unionized areas. Sadly, this comes at a bad time for the consumer when chicken prices are already at their highest level since 1990. The industry's been impacted by recalls, fires, and yet bird flu. The industry must understand that wages should be set based on local competitive conditions and not by fixing them in back rooms. This is Dr. David D. Shine for Business Law 101. If you've enjoyed this episode, please subscribe on your favorite platform.